Hi little kids, today I will learn you how to draw doctor set. Here I am drawing different types of doctor's equipment and I will learn you every item's name. So let's see how I draw it. The first one I draw is syringe. Syringe is used for blood collection. Now I am drawing the doctor's professional costume. Every doctor wears this costume. This is thermometer. We use thermometer to measure our temperature. And this is ambulance. We all know what ambulance does. It carries the patients to the hospital or nursing home. And this is doctor's goggles. This is scissor. Scissor is used for cutting any kinds of things or operation. And this is called stethoscope. Every doctor use this. Doctors use stethoscope to know any patient's heartbeat and their body parts reaction. And this is first aid box. Here we keep most important things like band-aid, like some pills, small things. Here we keep. This is rubber gloves. Doctor use rubber gloves to maintain hygiene. This is pills bottle, and here are some pills and tablet. The circle shaped medicines are called tablet. And this medicine is called capsule. This is called gel. This is bandage. This is surgical mask, and this is pipettes. We use it to take drops of medicine or drops of blood. And this is prescription book. Doctor prescribe here patient's medicines. This is called a blood pressure monitor equipment. This is called tweezer. It used for to hold small things. This is called plaster. These are medicine bottles. So we draw the all doctor sets equipments. So let's color it. I'm coloring it with sketch pen color. You can color it as you like. I colored the ambulance black color by mistake. You should always keep the ambulance white color. Sorry little kids to make this mistake. If you try, you will also be able to draw like beautiful doctor set equipments. Let's try it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos. Till then, tata bye bye little friends.
Wow!